Hello everyone, this is Kathy from Train Up a Child Homeschooling, and today I brought you a flip through of the 5-day junior kindergarten curriculum set from Memoria Press. Okay, so I'll be showing you the whole 5-day junior kindergarten set from them, okay? First, let's go ahead and get started with the guide. Now, I wanted to really upload this video because I just got this in today, and I know that there's like maybe like 2 or 3 videos about the junior kindergarten from Memoria Press, like, like a flip through or anything like that. There's only like 2 or 3 videos online. So I was like, look, you know what? This is a great one to actually upload so that way more people can actually see it. Okay, so this is the teacher's manual. I like to jump right into things. Okay, so every day you will be doing Bible devotional, recitation, which begins after, I guess, in week number 2. There's a show and tell. There's poetry, music, alphabet lesson writing, number lessons, and all of that. Literature. Read aloud. Some read alouds do come with the set, and then the other ones you can either get at the library or you can buy the read aloud set that they have available online. Okay. And then here on the manual, it'll tell you exactly what pages to do, and what workbook to use, what to grab, what song to play, what poetry reading to do, what calendar stuff to talk about. It does come with a story Bible. So it covers pretty much everything. Now, this is the actual what you're going to be doing on the very first day. So week 1, Monday. This is what you would be doing on Monday. So it would just be this 1-page spread right here. So you would start off with the prayers for children, which is a read aloud that I'm going to show you. Well, it's a prayer book. Then the next one, you would be reading from the Bible. I mean, you don't have to do it in any particular order. This is just how they have it set up. Then you're going to be covering some calendar stuff. Then show and tell. The guide in Memoria Press is geared more towards a classroom setting, but it is very easy to adapt to your home. And then there's a poetry reading, a music, alphabet lesson writing, and it gives you some tips there on pencil grip. It also gives you what to cover, introduce the word name, have students write first name on paper with pencil. It tells you where to go, alphabet book 1, page 80. And then also do my very own sister's book, page 7, which I'll be showing you. It has a number lesson, a literature, which is your read aloud. I'm going to be getting mine from the library because it's just more cost effective for me. And then there's a craft and a character training. And then your closing prayer, which you'll be doing also again from the Prayers for Children book. Okay, so that was week 1, Monday. All right, let's look a little bit more ahead. Let's see week 3, Thursday. Okay, let's see here. What do we have here? Okay, so here we have prayer. We have Bible devotion, memory verse. I believe you're going to be covering one memory verse a week. It also has how many letters are in the alphabet. You can cover that. That will be your memorization sentence. Something that you would repeat day after day until the child memorizes how many letters are in the alphabet. You have some calendar work, poetry, which is your read aloud, and I'm sure you can continue to see from here. It also has some comprehension questions for your read aloud right here. You will be reading 10 Little Rubber Ducks by Eric Carle, and then it has some comprehensive questions if that's something that you would like to do. And then it continues. This is the literature, comprehensive questions continued. There's a craft, a character training, which I will be showing to you guys. And then again, a closing prayer. Okay? And then week 3, Fridays, is very short. Just that page. So you open up in prayer and you close in prayer. You open up in prayer and you close in prayer. Okay? So that's pretty cool. I'll do a little zoom here so you guys can see what that would be, what that would look like for you. This is week 7 overview. This is what you will be covering on week 7. Okay. Perfect. Alrighty, so that's the guide. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the workbooks. This is your alphabet coloring book. It is in ABC order. So color the upper and lowercase letters. Each picture begins with the letter F. Say the name of each picture aloud. Color the pictures. Okay, this is really cute, really fun. Alrighty, here we have Alphabet Book Part 1. Okay, now the alphabet book does not go in ABC order. There's a specific order that they do it. As you can see here, there's a specific order. There's also reproducible practice worksheets. And also when you make your purchase on their website, they also send you like a PDF file that you can print more reproducible pages. Memoria Press Junior Kindergarten, what they focus more is numbers 1 through 20. And then they also focus on letter recognition and teaching beginning sounds. I don't believe they teach letter blending yet in this particular junior kindergarten level. I do not believe they teach letter blending, but they do teach, letter sounds and letter recognition and numbers 1 through 20. But then again, this is for a 4-year-old. Okay, this is more practice pages if you want. Reproducible name worksheet, so your child can practice writing their name. You could probably write their name with a highlighter and have them trace over it, if that's easier for them. Okay, alphabet book number 2. Oh, sorry. And let me show you the order that it goes in. This is the order. Okay. Alrighty, I don't want to make this video too long. But it's pretty much the same thing. Some tracing, circle all the uppercase Y's and lowercase Y's for letter recognition. Write the uppercase Y under the pictures that begin with the Y sound. Okay. So it pretty much has the same thing for like every letter. It has some color by letter instead of color by number. Some coloring, some mazes. But it looks really fun, really cute, really simple and to the point. Alrighty, this is the next workbook, which will be a math workbook, Counting with Numbers. This is from Rod and Staff. The other workbooks that I've shown you so far have been for Memoria Press. Okay, I have done this before with my, I believe it was with my 6-year-old. When he was younger, I did this one with him. We really liked it. There's some cut and paste. There's tracing. There's counting. I really love the Rod and Staff workbooks. This is Numbers Coloring Book. This is from Memoria Press. Mommy. Okay, this is the Numbers Coloring Book. Excuse me, my toddler is here. So this is pretty much the same thing like the alphabet coloring book, but this one is for numbers. Okay. All right, my toddler loves to color, so we're excited about that one. Numbers and colors. So this one is like a math workbook as well from Memoria Press. It has coloring, it has lots of tracing. So that's something also that that the junior kindergarten level focuses on a lot is the tracing, the handwriting skills, penmanship, which is very important, especially if you're going to go into kindergarten. You got to know how to hold a pencil and how to write. Okay, and then it has scissors book for hand-eye coordination, for motor skills. So a lot of fun stuff. It has different shapes, different angles that they will be cutting. Okay, so those are the workbooks. Okay, I'm going to be showing you now. They're like, I think it's called their character building curriculum or lesson, if you will. It has this one. It's called Listen and Learn. Just like a read aloud about listening and learning, I'm assuming. So I'm really excited about this because I definitely think that building my child's character and teaching him good manners and is something very important. And I think that that's something that he needs help in. So I'm excited that this curriculum includes this because we're going to actually get to focus on talking about this. Now, this is Myself and Others, Book 1. I believe these lessons go along with the read-alouds. Oh, and there's another read-aloud that goes along with that as well. This is a coloring book that goes with that. But there's another read-aloud. Here, sorry about that. Polite Elephant. This is another one that goes with their character building. Elephant. I know, right? He's a very nice elephant. Okay. Polite Elephant. And this is a coloring book. Mommy, can elephants stomp on you? Yeah, they can. And this is a coloring book about pretty much the same thing. Good manners, being polite. I haven't looked into this one too much. Like, I just got it, but I also haven't really looked into it too much online either. So, this is the information that it has. Now, let's look at a lesson to see what it... So, week 1. This is what it has for week 1. Okay, so... I have to really look at the beginning of this book because I'm not sure how I'm going to be using this. I don't know how I'm supposed to use it. This is like homework that he has. He has to do this and just put check on it if he does it. Not sure. So, okay, and this is book 2, which I would assume is the same thing, but for maybe the second half of the year. I'm not sure how this works, but I'll find out. Okay, and then also it comes with these manuscript wall charts. Okay, you can see here. Alrighty, these are the read-alouds. Well, these are the read-alouds that come with the curriculum. There's a lot more read-alouds that I will be getting from the library that go along with the curriculum manual. Okay, but these are just the ones that come with the curriculum, which is, these are poems about colors. Okay, this is the classical curriculum, so poetry is definitely integrated into this because that's very much part of the classical philosophy of learning, which is classic literature, poetry. Oh, I believe this book is also for the character building. A is for afraid. B is for brave. I'm sorry for the glare, guys. G is for grumpy. H is for happy. So it talks about your feelings. Okay. And I'm pretty sure the previous books that I showed you, that Myself and Others, will explain to you maybe how to talk to your child about this or give you ideas. This is the prayers for children that you will be reading before you start your day and then when you end your, your school time. There's not that many prayers in here, but so you'll probably be covering a lot of these prayers repeatedly. Okay, that's prayers for children. Alrighty, this is Big Thoughts for Little People. This uses the alphabet, and it talks about a certain behavior, like B is for behave. And then it'll have a lot of things in the picture that start with that same letter. C is for crying. So like carnival, clown, things like that. Candy apple.
Becky's crying.
D is for doing. So these are really fun because not only is it talking about, you know, behaviors, it also has a Bible scripture at the end of every page. And it also, you can talk, you can use it to teach phonics. You know, like H for horse and so on and so forth. Okay. Excuse me. Alrighty. Then this is the best Mother Goose ever. I believe this is a Mother Goose nursery rhyme collection. But like a Richard Scarry. Oh, how do you say that? Richard Scarry's edition. So it's very big pages, very large illustrations. So it looks great. Okay. Alrighty. And then last but not least is The Llama Who Had No Pajama, 100 Favorite Poems. So this is more poetry. And this is the poetry that it has. Okay. And then last but not least, we have the Book of Crafts for junior kindergarten level. So you will be doing, I think, one craft a week. I'm not exactly sure. A lot of these crafts will have to do, let me show you the contents. A lot of these crafts will have to do with either the letter of the week or it'll have to do with the read aloud that you're doing for that week. So I believe you do one read aloud a week plus, you know, any of these poetry books that come along with the curriculum or nursery rhymes that come along with the curriculum. And then you'll do, I think, one read aloud, which is not included. You can get it from your library like I am doing, or you can buy the whole set, but it's pretty pricey. The read aloud set, I think, is over $300 because it brings a ton of books, brand new books. So these are the crafts. So it has the supplies, the teacher guideline, the instructions, and it also has a picture of what the final product is supposed to look like. Now, I don't believe these are in any particular order. I think these are in order by just like alphabet order of the name of the book. And then it goes into the letters. But in the teacher's manual, it doesn't do it like that. You know, you'll be covering whatever letter is talking about on any particular day, and then whatever book is talking about. There's templates in the back that have to do with the craft. Okay. This is the story Bible that comes with the curriculum. Well, actually, it doesn't come with it. You have to buy it separately. Okay. But this is the one that it references to in the teacher's manual. So it's the story. I'm sorry, sorry for the glare. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And it also comes with these alphabet flashcards, which I haven't taken out yet. And I believe there's some number flashcards in here as well. Everything that comes in the 5-day junior kindergarten for Memoria Press. Thank you. Have a blessed day.